This Xbox error is an issue that players paying for the Xbox Game Pass subscription must get fixed to play their games. So with this video, we will show you how you can fix this error in Windows with these potential solutions. So first up, run the troubleshooter for fixing the apps. Do that by opening Settings, click System, click Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, then press the Run option for launching the Windows Store app. Now the troubleshooter may apply some fixes automatically. If Windows suggests any potential solutions, you have to select to apply them. If that did not work, repair and reset the Microsoft Store and Gaming Services apps. To do so, open Apps and Features, find the application, click More Options, choose Advanced Options, click the Repair or Reset options. And lastly, start the Xbox Live Off Manager service. Do it by opening Services, double-click on these services, set the startup type to Automatic, click the Start option, and to save the settings, select Apply and select OK. Now you also have to repeat the steps for the Xbox Live Networking service and the Xbox Live Save services. So that's how you can fix the following Xbox Game Pass error in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 computers. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.